Hey, I'm Steve Magnante here in Bogart, Georgia at the Tony Townley Collection, where on October 24th and 25th, 2025, Richmond Auctions will be selling about 100 special interest vehicles, most of them at no reserve. Now, there's a saying that goes, nothing runs like a Deere. Well, this right here is a 1924 John Deere Model D Spoker, the very first John Deere tractor. You might call this the Hemi-Cuda of John Deere's, if you catch my drift. It's a most desirable John Deere tractor. Again, 1924, first year for the Model D, and first year for John Deere's entirely in-house designed tractor. No association with Waterloo, which was the previous arrangement, so it's the first of its kind. Beautiful restoration, has the correct 465 cubic inch horizontal two-cylinder engine, 34 horsepower, heck of a thing to hear, like a pop, 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 pop. You hear in the fields, they're very distinctive. Was the sound of agriculture for decades throughout the rural areas of the country. And a great example, it has the spoker. What that refers to, the spoker is this right here, a 6-spoke flywheel right here. And it was replaced by a solid hub flywheel. Like apparently, folks were getting stuck in these things or they'd fracture in certain usages. So it's an early one called the Spoker, and this is kind of a very special addition or bonus to this particular unit. And again, the Model D advancements included worm and sector steering, no more chains, and a hypoid gear differential immersed in oil for long use and minimal intrusions from dirt and soil. So a lot of advancements right here. The Model D, first year, 1924, and again, first year for John Deere as a standalone company. And get it while it's hot. These are very, very special, very exclusive, and bid strong. It's a unique piece.